And joining us now to discuss is CoinDesk Director of Data and Indexes, Galen Moore. So quickly, Galen, a Bitcoin ETF, Van Eck is the next Bitcoin spot ETF due for a decision on November 14th. Arcane Research saying the verdict for other funds will follow shortly. They expect that there will be action in the market running up towards these dates. So what are the chances of a spot ETF getting approved compared to a Bitcoin futures ETF?
Boy, that's a tough one, Christine. I think, if I would say, like, just in general, the chances of an ETF being approved have declined from what you might have thought they were at the beginning of the year or at the beginning of Gary Gensler's chairmanship of the SEC. But that's really, just reading tea leaves, I think, on everyone's part. I think the market agrees and would prefer a spot-based ETF product. But, if the regulators believe that this is a path to a safe ETF, then I think that's at least a step in the right direction. I do think the regulatory risk, especially with DeFi heating up, many projects out there promoting tokens that may or may not have any actual use and are probably being sold in order to raise capital for those projects. I think that sort of risk of an enforcement action against that kind of activity is one worth keeping an eye on.
And Galen, finally, El Salvador and their volcano, a good idea or bad idea?
Great idea. I just think, look, I mean, there are a lot of surplus energy sources, hard to reach, hard to transport the energy from the source to a place where it can actually be used. I'm not sure that the volcano is one of those, but I think it's perhaps a good example of how that can be done. Crusoe Energy is a US-based company doing that at natural gas flaring sites. I would love to see more activity along those lines in hydroelectric as well.